fights infection. Citrus fruit, cabbage, pineapple, broccoli, basil, weakness, and bleeding gums. Healthy bones and teeth, cheese, liver, and salmon. Osteoporosis, calcium and phosphorus are minerals that help your bones and teeth become strong and healthy. They are found in milk, iron, magnesium, and zinc, vegetables, and fruits are other useful minerals to shellfish such as oyster and clams are source of minerals. Bloody zinc. Salt is also a mineral. Are you eating a balanced diet? Balanced diet must contain grow, and glow.